911 emergency.
Do you require assistance?
Please, there's someone in my house.
Okay, sir. I am notifying the police. Are you at apartment 2?
Please get someone over here.
I will, sir.
But I need you to confirm your address first.
It's apartment 2.
Okay, the police are on their way, but I need you to calm down. Do you know if it's a man or a woman?
I don't know. I just saw the back of their head. Its scalp was ripped off.
Excuse me, sir?
Its skin was hanging off the side of its head. They started to turn towards me, but...
What was that?
Everything just started shaking.
Are you able to get to an exit?
No, I'm in a closet.
All right, I need you to stay calm.
Oh my God.
Do you have anything you can use to protect?
There's some coat hangers.
Okay, take one of the hangers and straighten it
They're
out.
all plastic.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else? What is happening? Sir?
They're right outside the door.
The police are only a few minutes away. I just need you to hang on a little longer.
Please, I'm so scared. I'm so... Oh my God!
Sir? Sir, are you there? Sir?